The Perito Moreno Glacier, located in Argentina, is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from around the world. Situated in Los Glaciares National Park, this glacier is renowned for its immense size and stunning beauty. Using a drone to capture footage of the Perito Moreno Glacier allows visitors to witness its grandeur from a unique and breathtaking perspective. The aerial shots provide a bird's-eye view of the glacier's massive ice formations and turquoise-blue crevasses. Stretching over 250 square kilometers, the Perito Moreno Glacier is one of the few glaciers in the world that is still growing. It is an awe-inspiring sight with its towering ice walls and vibrant blue hues. Tourism at the Perito Moreno Glacier has grown significantly over the years. Travelers flock to this destination to witness its grandeur firsthand and experience its breathtaking landscapes. Visiting the Perito Moreno Glacier offers a unique opportunity to witness nature's power and beauty up close. The constantly shifting ice formations, thunderous sounds of calving icebergs, and vibrant blue hues make it a truly unforgettable experience for travelers. Whether you are an adventure seeker or simply appreciate nature's wonders, a trip to the Perito Moreno Glacier promises an unforgettable experience filled with awe-inspiring vistas and a deeper understanding of our planet's natural heritage.